Welcome to Cook With Me. Today we're going to make roasted village chicken and crispy potato wedges in the oven. For the marinade, we'll need 1 tablespoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of rock salt, a bit of black pepper, and olive oil, about 1 tea glass worth. We place all the ingredients into a mixing bowl, then add olive oil and mix them well. Next, we take a village chicken that weighs between 1.2 kilograms to 1.4 kilograms. We dry it thoroughly with paper towels, both inside and out. Then we separate the skin from the meat using our fingers, creating a gap between the skin and the meat. After that, we rub the marinade mixture, starting under the skin and spreading it evenly over the entire surface of the chicken. For the legs, we make small slits in the skin at the back and secure them with a few twists. We insert the rotisserie spit from the back of the chicken and push it through to the front, making sure to tighten the supports. We secure the tips of the wings with 1 or 2 toothpicks to pin them to the chest. Now it's ready for the oven. We take 1 kilogram of fresh potatoes, clean them with a brush, and cut them in half, leaving the skins on. After tossing the potatoes in olive oil, salt, and pepper, we mix them well and spread them out on a baking tray. Make sure to leave some space in the middle for the chicken to rotate freely. Now it's time to bake. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius if using the turbo setting, and bake the chicken for about 60 to 70 minutes, depending on its size. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. The chicken will turn golden brown like a pomegranate, and the potatoes will be crispy. The ideal internal temperature for the chicken is 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. You can check this by inserting a thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken. Yes, the chicken is ready to serve. Let's remove the rotisserie spit, and now let's check the potatoes. They look perfect. We can sprinkle some finely chopped parsley on top and give them a good mix. The chicken is juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside, just perfect. Paired with crispy oven potatoes, it's a simple, healthy, and nutritious meal. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more delicious receipts. Bon appetit!